छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन, है छाया आसमां में, देखो झूमता गगन,
Okay, so today we're going to make a seashell crab. All right, so first you're going to shake your paint up. I'm going to make a purple crab. And you're going to paint your seashell. All right, first coat of paint. And we're going to set it aside and let it dry. So we can do one more coat. While our shell is drying, we're going to take our pipe cleaners and we're going to make the legs. You can cut them at any distance or length that you want, depending on how big your shell is. I have a couple pieces that I've already cut, and I actually folded them in half to make them a little more sturdy because my shell is kind of big. So to make them a little stronger, I folded them in half. So we're going to cut the legs. It has 4 legs on each side, and then your little pinchers. Okay, so we're going to cut the pipe cleaners while your shell is drying. Now for the pincher part of one of the legs, I just cut a shorter piece and I'll just fold it in half, but like not all the way. So something like that. And then your leg that is folded in half, you're going to split it apart and then just take the two and loop them together. And then pinch the bottom one back together, and then you can pull the little one apart. And then you have a little pincher and a leg. Your shell should be mostly dry by now, so we're going to go ahead and put the second coat on your shell. Second coat is on, and we're just going to set it aside and let it dry. Okay, our shell is all dry. We are going to put the googly eyes on, and you're going to put them on this side of your shell. All right, so this is going to be the front, and this is going to be the back. Using the glue gun, got my googly eyes. I'm just going to glue them onto the front. Eyes are on. So now it's time to put the legs on. I start with the front leg with the pincher, and I'm going to put it right on the side of his eyeball. So you're going to use the glue gun, and you're going to glue it to the backside of your shell. All right. After you get that glued on, then you can glue the other side on. Just right on each side of his eyeball. After those two are glued on, then you can start with his other legs and just go down each side and place them all the way to the back part. Okay, we have one side glued on. So we have a pincher and 4 little legs. This is what it looks like underneath. Now we'll go ahead and do the other side. All right. All the legs are on. His little eyes are on. And now with the pipe cleaners, you can bend his little legs however you want to. And there you have a seashell crab. Thanks for watching.